Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. I hope y'all had a good Father's Day yesterday. I did. I really didn't do nothing but sit around the house and play on YouTube, watching videos. That's my life. Y'all, the phone numbers in the description box below. Click show more or the little arrow that's beside the title of the video. And the description box should pop open. The phone numbers there are to the White House switchboard. You call that, they will put you in touch with any congressman, senator, member of the House, and even President Trump's office. You won't talk to him, but you will talk to one of his aides. Burn those phone numbers up. Call them every day. Chew their ears off. Let them know what we need. Y'all, I still feel confident, as always, in the 2,000, maybe even more stimulus check. The big question is when. We needed it like yesterday. A lot of yesterdays ago. Y'all, if you didn't see my video yesterday, and I know it was Father's Day and there wasn't a lot of views, there wasn't a lot of action nowhere on YouTube yesterday. I'm talking about SSI, SSDI, and Social Security. Will you get the stimulus check if it happens and when it happens? Y'all go watch that video. It's very important stuff there. There's a lot of false information going around on YouTube right now about that, and I just want to clear the air on it. Y'all go watch that video. We all know if it wasn't for Mooch McConnell dragging his feet, we would already have a stimulus check by now. But I got some good news. There's a group of protesters now at his house. And I seen a picture of his house, and it don't look like they're far from the actual building of his house. He's got a real modest looking home. But there's a group of protesters there now chanting, "No justice, no sleep. No justice, no sleep." They're not going to let the man sleep until they get a stimulus check. Maybe this will work. Maybe this will light a fire under the man's ass. We'll just have to wait and see. Y'all, there's another YouTuber on here that is talking crap about Donald Trump. And you know I've done it too. I've talked my fair share of crap about Donald Trump. But this time I'm going to have to stand behind Donald Trump with this subject. Okay, they're talking about Donald Trump's rally, that he didn't mention anything about a stimulus check or anything like that in his rally. I'm going to have to stand behind him with this. Donald Trump usually don't choose his words correctly, and he gets himself in a lot of trouble. This time, he showed restraint. He chose not to talk about that in his rally, and I think it's a good thing. Can you imagine if he mentioned giving everybody a $1,200 or $2,000 stimulus check in his rally? How the media would go crazy on that. There would be a firestorm saying that he's buying people's vote. I don't blame the man. I'm glad he didn't talk about it in his rally. Y'all, the man has made a lot of mistakes. He's done a lot of good also. And I have done my share of bashing him. I try to cut it right down the middle, and I bash whoever needs bashing. And I've done my share of bashing Donald Trump. But this time he was right. Y'all, there wasn't a lot of information happening right now because of Father's Day. So maybe tomorrow we'll have more information and we can get more information out to the people. Y'all, I make these videos every day, and please come back every day. I'll release them at 6 o'clock in the morning. So be sure and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and go watch yesterday's video on Social Security. There's a lot of good information in that, and it's debunking a lot of the false information that's out there. And please go call those phone numbers that's in the description box. Burn them up. Don't let them rest. Remember what they're chanting at Mooch's house. No sleep. No justice, no sleep. With them, it's going to be no stimulus check, no rest. I love you all. Please come back tomorrow and stay safe. Ciao.